Hello everyone. So we are back to building, and last we were working on the creating a template for AO starter kit in which you developer can deploy a coin with bonding curve simply using the CLI only. Now at the very end, like when we were going to write the scripts, I uh, I found like in the main, like there is a value which changes, like the scale curve value. This actually changes and it generated based upon some calculation which I was unaware, and that's why I asked the autonomous finance team to provide me with that, and they did. In fact, on the Discord, you can check it in their Discord. So over here, now let's see how does this calculation actually works, and how we will be able to do that. So now this to do is, uh, let's keep it here for a couple of seconds and then we will move ahead. Right, so that's there, and yeah, let's move. So yeah, the question was how this is generated, how this value is generated, because if you see, if I create of any token, right, it will be generated differently. Curve M. See, now this is a different value for these parameters. So we have to figure out some way where we can set the correct value for these parameters in our CLI also. Let's see what they told us. So to your question, the curve works based on the power function supply price. Supply price equals to M into supply to the power N, as will be explained in the bonding. Okay, the ratio R is by definition the ratio between QAR accumulated in the curve and the market cap. The explain this accumulated liquidity can be written as the function of the distributed supply. That market cap can also be written as a function of the distributed supply. By doing these two things, you get R equals to 1. Okay, so now, so you can solve for N. Now you have curves N based on RR. For the main power function, we'll solve from M price upon supply to the power N. So if you have the target price and target supply, so the target price, you see like how this is calculated. So I guess this is the target price, right? So we can calculate M. Okay, so if you have target supply, you can say that your curve M is M equals to target price upon target supply. Target price upon target supply. Alright, so we have the ratio. Now assuming we did this, so our target target price is this 0.01. Right, your quotient, this is different. Okay, let's just calculate this first on a rough on just a simple calculator, right? And let me just generate this, what it will return for these values. Curve M, curve M, curve M. 1 to the power e minus 8. So this is 1 e minus 8, right? Now it's mentioned by I'm not sure the Daniel, yeah. So it's mentioned by Daniel. First, let's calculate the n value. So we can calculate for n. N, yeah. Let's go do some maths. So r equals to n upon 1 upon n plus 1, right? Correct. So n plus 1 will be equals to 1 upon rr, and n will be n equals to 1 upon rr minus 1. Right. Now since our reserve ratio is this 0.5, so 1 upon 0.5 will be 2, right? rr equals to 0.5, so n will be equals to 1. You can do the calculations, right? And about the m is target price upon target supply to the power n. So target price to the target supply to the power n, right? So in our case, target price is 0.1 upon target supply is 1 million, right? 1 million to the power n. To the power n is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This comes to be 1 e minus 7. And now this is where we need to calculate or not? Either I did something wrong, because this m should be this particular value based on the power function supply price. Alright, let me just check the code directly. Now they are passing scale curve m, yeah. So scale curves m constant initially calculated by the UI, considering that UI configuration is denomination agnostic. We have put the value of curve n. Code token denomination 12. .01. Okay, that was 0.01. Yeah. So yep, it will be this, which is equivalent to this. Thanks for this. Continuing the build. that's it. So what all we have to do now? Um, so since we have the contracts, we have the calculation, I guess, for curve M. I don't see any other calculation. Now we first need to the token. We are assuming the guy will the dev for now will be deploying the token directly using the coin maker, and then using this particular uh, template for deploying the bonding curve. That's what we are assuming for the sake of simplicity for now. So no, I had this learning bonding curve in that. Yeah. Let's continue on this. So we'll do this afterwards. All this, like we have to figure out this one though, because it will be required for here. In this case also. And today's date 7. Right. We have to now pass the variables, do the calculations, edit the contract, and yeah, I guess that's it. You have to pass the calculation, pass the variables, do the calculation, edit the contract, and yep, then do this and deploy the bonding curve. Let's see. I'm gonna put this calculation here. And move this and get it back to where it was. So in main.lua we got this. We don't have to worry about it. Need to edit this. What I'm gonna do to edit all this is like initial curve RR. I will ask the team whether this is the right approach or not, but I will be editing it over here instead of and using this value instead of this, because we have to edit this whole thing actually. So why not use this and any they mentioned the correct naming. Curves M constant, yeah, M, that should be it. Right, we can write it curve M. Right now it's 1e minus 8. We have to edit this fees also. They are definitely gonna ask me to change this. The reason being, like, I'm not good with handling the garbage of in Lua. So, like, this might introduce some garbage in the contract, which is not required. So I will ask the team, like, I've edited this. So let me know. And initial LPs to one. This should def account. Let's also put this. This will just help me to edit, do the editing at once. Like, not at once, but it will help me to keep the things clear for me. And yeah, so we need to edit all these values because they have mentioned to do accordingly custom token if necessary, right? So we will accept all these parameters now. Let's start by enabling the CLI to pass the variables and learning how to use the CLI in the local environment to test it for testing. And yeah, I guess that is there. And this is also, we have to edit this also. This is target supply. This is target supply because this shouldn't change, right? Let's just put initial in front of this also. Initial target supply. I'm not sure whether this should change or should not, but I guess it might because they have put or else it would be have been constant, and same goes for this. So I'm gonna put initial over here. And this is market cap. So this is what I want to know, like, okay, 10,000 of this only. Got it. Initial market cap. Both of these values should not change, but still we'll have to leave. And yeah, I guess that's it. What we can edit. There should be one more variable where it is mentioned to collect the fees. Okay, yeah, fees. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. We have to get all these variables. Want to reserve ratio. You have to get reserve ratio also. Nice. Then do the calculation. And store it over here also, actually. Right. Curve token process, the ticker, denomination, developer account, LP burn ratio. Okay, let's see LP. We got it here. Cool. All right. Let's get started with setting the parameters now. Let's get started by understanding how this whole thing works. And last I checked, it was in the source initial. Yeah, let's bring our plot. And yeah, so ooh, quite excited. I guess this should be better for you. I forgot to zoom in, but anyways, if anyone is listening by any chance, so yeah, give me a second. Mm, yes, we mentioned this your morning with curve, right? So this was generated by AI. Now okay, let us for code token process also, not only for this. And let's keep this default value here, and I guess that's not default value. Yeah, sorry, I mean placeholder. So we are accepting how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In total we are accepting 11 values, and let's see how many we require. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. 2 of them are missing. This one will be calculated. 1 is missing. And transaction fees. So code token process checked. Issue token process checked. Issue token denomination. Okay, this is not checked. We require this also. This is done, and the denomination will be Swiss will be 18. I'm not sure why it's mentioned credits. So yeah. Also one thing, like this is not accepting the values, right? Let me check where it's accepting the numbers and not. Target supply number, reserve ratio. The reserve ratio cannot be can be, but it should not be. Let's put the same folder like this. We'll check whether it will accept our decimals or not. And transaction fees percentage can go up to maximum 5 in this chart, and it does accept 2.6 or something like that. We set it to 1 as far as I remember. Because that was a default value. That's why it's 100. And we also set this to 100. So that's why this is also 100. So transaction fees, yeah, we have to multiply it with 100 then. And curve token process, all right. Take a denomination. Now let's just check this and use this, not this number. Denomination, please enter valid positive number. And same goes for here. And we'll check these conditions for sure, make this more good filtering conditions, but yeah. And placeholder this correct. And developer account, let's see what we are receiving in developer account. Normal value. Yes, I'm just gonna replace with this my developer account. And the place LP burn ratio like 50%. Just go with this only. Yeah, it's the same, but yeah. Okay. This is done. Now I need to know where these values are being stored, or how can I use these values. Now what's this resulted? I need to understand this also. Okay, so it is storing this value, this whole thing in this result. And okay, this project. Okay, got it. So if I right now type project dot, yeah, we got these values. All right. Good. Okay, let's do this. Let's check. A named it what? Error condition for what was this? With one curve. It should result in the process name coin. Templates directory, resolve templates. So destination directory, project name. Okay, and then it's copy the base template contents. Base template contents. All right. Remove utils injectors from the process. It then from the project. Well, I'm not getting this. Just why it would remove it, but this is destination directory, right? This is the directory for the project name. So okay, let's see. Process template base template AO squishy basic. So resolve templates directory, got it. Templates directory, it will be AO, of course, right? Project type will be okay. The project type needs to be like this. Coin with rounding curve. They are not gonna like the naming. Yes, please. Ooh. What did I do? And yeah, base, got it. Then instead of changing this, can I just change the Can I change this? If I did Lua coin, yeah, let's do this Lua coin only. Yeah, damn, I have to redo this whole thing. This is actually very bad. Don't do any editing here. So, we were here. This is done. And then copy process template contents. Process template base. Okay. Resolve destination directory. AO process name. Okay, build spinner, inject build script into the directory, adding build script. Tail includes tail else with one. We don't need to change this. And then build Lua script, templates directory, scripts, build base type. We do not need to change this, or just let me check once. Okay, yeah. Destination directory, I need to change. Copy the build script. To check dependencies, install dependencies, build script, and injecting text suite into the project. Copy sync, nothing to do. Spinner, inject airflow into the project. Now this is something which might give us error. So need to check this. Process name, detect packet manager, generating airform YAML, editing, nope, fronted template. If it contains Lua or teal, I guess this could include any. No, it should not be required because like they're Lua SQL Lite, and this should be required. Lua coin, yeah. Dual SQL Lite, yeah. Correct, and then copy a sync. Front template, though we are not working as front end right now, still just need to run right. Yep, that's there. Now what we need to do is, after process template, after this command, the destination directory, we have to edit the main.lua. Now how we are gonna do that is that what we that's what we are gonna ask with. Yeah, need to edit the desk directory. test directory. Lua. Those values, what values is that one? So yep, add this here. And I think we need to edit first and then do that, because it might not be possible for writing on the system of another, but I'm not sure. So in the test directory with the rounding curve, what we named it, specific parameters. Let's see what it will return. If we are using the Lua coin template, alright, reads from the correct path, finds the replacement for all the bonding curve parameters that we collected during the prompt. Replaces each placeholder value in the file with user's input, write and modify the content back to the file. I'm just editing, nothing removing. Alright, let's see. Coin, it took. Will this be the name? Will it be named coin? I forgot actually. Oh yeah, coin. Sorry. Actually, it should not be coin. It should be Lua coin, right? What we just yeah, coin, book count and books, yeah. So coin srcme.lua. is this correct? Because if it is, then this is awesome. So target market cap. Yep, not that good. Let's just change this at least. I'll be requiring this if we can edit it directly, right? Because it's converting to begin, so you should not be requiring that. So I will check with the team. Reserve ratio. Oh my. Transaction fees. Which is 100. If I would it written. Okay. Oh, what's this? Don't require this curve token. Don't require. No, I was incorrect. Okay, we don't need to change this. We need to change the. Damn right. So this is 18. This is for now LTK, and this is this one, and so yeah, I'm getting confused. curve token is the issued one. So code token process is correct. Right, this is QAR. That's good. We just need to change this or that. Okay, we done with this. Then are we done with this? We are done with this. We are not done with this particular value. We need to calculate it now. Const This should also be here because it won't exist if we don't need to calculate it, right? Now let's check once again. Code token process checked, code token ticker checked, code token denomination checked, issued token process checked, issued token denomination checked, issued token ticker checked, initial curve PR checked, initial curve M checked, initial curve V checked, this initial LP tokens to burn checked, initial target supply checked, and initial market cap checked, initial dev account checked. Right, this was all done. Would love to test it out, this whole thing out first, and then move ahead instead of implementing that function right now. So it will give me some assurity, yeah, like this thing is working. Okay, let's pass the variables first correctly, and let's do this. And yeah, so awesome. Okay, how to test it, but how can I test this whole thing? Is there a dev version of something like that? I don't see it. Do you guys see it? Anybody sees it? Nope. How can I run this? Run the create new tab. Um, on my local to test it. Add npm link. Where? Where is this getting built? I don't even know that. That's the main issue. Okay, it's building away here. So create your tab. Run build. I'm not gonna leave it. Just simply delete this once. Okay. Now guys, any way to test it out? Release. Please work. Testing coin. What the hell is this? Why it's after processing it? it's saying. Uh, I was doing it before it was giving it the name. Sorry, my bad. It's this is a big thing, big process then. Um, testing coin 2. Yes, I would love some initial values. Damn man, if it actually generated that, would be awesome. So, coin 2, AO, coin, scripts, SRC, Bottega curve, main. Please change the value. Let's see if we actually got the values changed. And shit, yeah. Values are not getting changed. Need to figure out why. I mean, need to ask why. Not figure that out by myself. I'm not gonna do this much. But yeah. I was happy. You just close. Yep. Lua, which was generated, return it. Values first input parameters equality curve. Changed in this, not getting. Oh shit, got it. Okay, we messed up because this thing was not there, so it was not finding these values. No worries. Once again, let's get started. Let's get this party going and testing coin 3. 5, 456, 0.7, 23, and enter my dev account. Well, dev account. Yes. 11, 1. Alright, 1. And not dev account. This. prepare for the worst. We are here with these values. Need to figure out why this thing, but good. So this is generating the correct values. Parameters passed. Pass the variable. Here's the contract. To do this, we'll do it soon. Okay. Well, let me just delete these, this, and this. Yeah, this is done. I missed one thing. I should have deleted the file because I need to understand there was like this. Plus this, right? LP1 ratio. There was some value which was in points. I guess reserve ratio. No? They shouldn't be edited. Just move it. Now the thing is about the main curve function. Right, now let's see what we have to do for calculating the function. Yeah, we have to calculate n first, and then we need to pass all these values. Okay, we need to calculate target price also. Let's remove this from here and use another function. Is first let's calculate target price. So the target price, I guess it just should be on this 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4, and if I enter one more, yep. So target market cap, we require target market cap. Let's just also check what we are sending to our contract. Yeah, that was correct as far as I remember, or I'll check once again. We require target market cap, number, target supply number, then it will return us target price. Yeah, there definitely needs to be some check in place. What is this? Nope. Any number on we receive the target price, then calculate in. We are receiving reserve ratio, right? Target price, we got this. Can I just parameters over here, like this is text. What are the options for typing text? the type number and the return value. Let me check, because others also don't have it, so they might not be requiring it, but because yeah, promise number or undefined. I guess there is also already defined values for that, so won't work. Okay, let's just ask this. Let this calculation say without for not getting overflowed. Okay, now it's time to check. Okay, let's put initial value here, right? Where we have initial value, something like that. So do we have it here also? Yeah, thank God. But yeah, let me just put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It'll be easy for testing and not an issue for that in the template, actual template also. Right, and this is there. Have to get something, have to get something, have to get something, can't help in this. requirement of this. Yeah, the placeholder, as far as I remember, it's 12 or 18. What was it? Um, 12. Yeah, 12 it was. So 12 only 50%. Okay, now the question is what it will return, because yeah, this curve M in the contract it's written 1e minus 8 in that format. Does that matter or not? Need to confirm. So console.log curve M. Yeah. So yep, let's test it out. Mhm. It returned this minus 16. This is wrong. Okay, my bad, I guess. Okay, let's do it once again. I put 0.5 here, right? So need to do that again. Now, see, need to figure out like this is returning this particular value. I want the value to be returned different, um, another value, right? So let's just compare. So this is same, nothing different. 0.5 initial curve V, it was asking initial curve fee. It asks for transaction fees, right? Yeah. +3. All right. LP tokens to 150. Everything is correct apart from this. Just need to figure out why, how to make it like this without breaking the calculation. Okay. Let's ask AI. Hmm. What value? Alright, let's wrap this up for now. Like, this is a very small thing which shouldn't be like not very small thing, but it's something like which can be done outside of this video, right? Because most of the majority of the work is done. Okay, I forgot one thing. We do the calculation instead of doing this. We'll just pass it. We don't need to actually do this. Like we can just run a script, right? Like we have in the other tablets. So I forgot to do one thing. Something. We have it here, right? I need to check and run this like the PMI. Let's just know like whether this is actually compiling and actually deploying. That is very important to test, else the whole thing will go to waste. Let's push down. Now let's run the npm run. This is just it built. I'm surprised. Literally, I'm surprised. Nice. It will ask for the deploy key, right? Yeah. I forgot what was the command to put the deployment link. Where's the read of this file? But yeah, we got the idea. Like this is building. I was worried about that. So yeah, since it's being built, then it can also be deployed. No, not the case with AO right now, because it can return some string error or something like that, and then the whole thing can go to burst. Just check. Yeah. JSON. I guess that's yep. Please deploy, please deploy. Come on. What? Okay, there is something wrong either with something wrong definitely, because like this is not deploying the stuff which it's supposed to. This shouldn't be the problem. Like, why this is the problem? This is correct, this is correct, this is correct. What just happened? Not even finding this message and okay, it's been 2 hours. I don't have the energy now. I will check this with the team. Like, why is this acting like this? Module is correct. Scheduler is correct. I just I spawned the process before a while back, today only. So let me just check. Is this using some other module or scheduler? Okay, it's not using my key actually. This is something. What? How is that possible? Then, let me just do that. Let me just bring my dev wallet over here. Might be process ending or something like that. Dev wallet is here. But am I reading this correct? Why not? Is there any other command to check this out? Okay, just wait, I will just check this. It took a bit more time this time. I hope this is the correct thing. Very strange. And I'm also not receiving any. It's not using my wallet to send any message. Just not able to digest why. Um, does this work? I'll check this with the team. Yep, things are working correctly. So there must be something else. Very strange. Alright, let's wrap this up for now. Thank you so much, whoever is here till this very end. And yeah, keep learning, keep building. See you guys. Take care.